Good morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever it is where you're watching. I'm Mike, and welcome to my tiny shop. And today, I'm making a bowl out of a 2x8. Thought I'd go simple. I messed up the last few things I tried to get fancy on, so I'm just gonna relax and do something fun. That was the theory, anyway. That didn't actually work out. I'm calling this the blood bowl, and you'll find out if you stick around. There may be graphic footage. On the last couple of projects I've had, I've tried to get a little bit too fancy too soon, I think. Like I said, I'm just getting back into this after about 5 years off. I think I've been doing this for like 2 months. Maybe once a week if I get lucky. But I think I'm just going to go back to basics, do something simple, hopefully. So this time I'm just going to make a bowl. I've got 2 pieces of 2x8 that I've glued together. We're going to see if we can just make a plain old board, somewhat decent looking. This one's absolutely not going to be fancy or complicated. I'm just hoping it works out and looks decent. We'll see. Alright, I'm going to round this out. I'm going to put a mortise on here so I can turn it around and hollow out. Alright, well, I don't know what it was that got me there. I don't know if you can see that on the video or not, but I cut myself pretty good. Blood all over the floor, but we patch up and move on, right? So now I will be wearing a glove. 1, to keep my bandage on, make sure it doesn't fall off, and 2, well, if I'd had it on, probably would have been fine, but it's like seatbelt. Something's gonna happen, it's gonna happen either way, right? I'm just trying to get this the right size and depth for my jaws. I think I've got it. Gotta admit, this one's making me a little nervous. It's already wounded me once. It will not win. pretty good holes in there. Yeah. Never planned on this being pretty anyway. Alright, now I'm going to finish this. So, like I said, they were planning on it being real pretty. So, go ahead and put finish on this end and turn around and hollow it. Alright, this sanded to 400. Oh, crap. I guess I'll get those out somehow. I remember what these holes are now. I had used these. This is a test piece for a router. So those holes are actually words that were cut out with the router. I figured they would turn away, but I guess they're in the middle. See how they turn out when I start hollowing. Alright, this is after 5 or 6 coats of sanding sealer. Not too bad. Just sanding sealer. Shines up pretty good. I've seen people use it before, and that's the only finish they use, and buff that out. Figured I'd try it. So I'm going to polish it up a little bit. I used to use Flitz metal polish. Why would I use Flitz metal polish on wood or on CA finish? Because that was all I had. Whoop. Caught it. Here goes nothing. Ah, that is not bad. For metal polish on a piece of wood, I'm quite happy with that. What do you think? Kind of like that knot too. Turned out to be a little nicer than I thought. So far anyway. Alright, let's get this turned around and start some hollowing. I'll make it a little easier for myself and drill as much of this out as I can. I don't have a huge bit. Gotta be careful. Last time I did this, I went too far. Let's just go there. Go to the 2 right here. And that should be just fine. That's far enough. I'm still a little chicken. A little bit of a wobble, but it'll be alright. I'll work it out. It's taking longer than I expected. Maybe I need to sharpen or turn this. Can you sharpen carbide tools? I don't know. I'm getting there. Still got a ways though. Alright, I think I'm gonna do the rest with sandpaper. No, I need to shape this outside. Just kidding. Alright, well, it's finally finished. I'm calling it the blood bow for obvious reasons. But didn't turn out too bad. Still surprised how well the metal polish works on wood, I guess. As long as it's a polish of some kind. But it does leave some green, like in the corners. I don't know if you can see. I do remember that being a problem, so probably won't use that anymore. Try something else. But it didn't turn out too horrible, I guess, for a 2x8. And that's what that got me. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and if you're a subscriber, thank you. I appreciate the support. But hopefully the next few will get better and better. Thanks. See you next time.